Heavy flooding on the south side at Powers and Old Kings. That's just one of the many spots around our area, and Elizabeth Campbell is there to show us. Elizabeth?
Yes, I'm doing my best to shield myself from the wind right now, but I want to show you the reason we're here. Powers Avenue is very flooded. Now you can see this van going away from us, but of course the cars that are having the most difficult time are those smaller cars, not as much the trucks and the SUVs, but coming towards us, it looks like we've got two cars coming through. We tried to go through earlier, didn't realize how bad, though. You can see that car screeching on their brakes. This is a mess out here, and we've seen several cars do this. So we are wanting people to know that if you are going to be out driving, which you shouldn't, but if you are, do not come in this direction of Powers Avenue. I think we're kind of in between University and then where Powers Avenue runs into Old Kings Road, and the wind is ferocious out here, as you can see by the trees, by the water on the roadway. So if you are barely able to get through this water here, the wind is not making it any better. I also want to point out that the reason we originally came out here was because we were hearing of some police activity, fire trucks, JSO officers at this apartment complex here. We cannot confirm why. We're actually at a JSO substation right now, and even the JSO officers here couldn't give me any information. You can see an officer right here, but I want to actually kind of come behind the JSO car and show you all of this flooding here. I mean, it is just bad in this area. I tried to walk down the sidewalk to go talk to personnel there, and I couldn't get through. So if you're in a car, it's difficult. Obviously, if you're a person, it's difficult. So I want to take one more look to show you what we're dealing with here. This is making me really nervous because there's about to be an accident if people aren't careful. So please avoid this area. Again, this is Powers Avenue, severely flooded. I'm actually going to go talk to the JSO officer again soon and find out whether or not they could possibly close this area, because it is looking more and more dangerous to me. Avoid the area, Powers Avenue, between University and I think Old Kings Road, and we're going to continue monitoring this, and any new information we learn, we'll of course pass along to you. Reporting live, Elizabeth Campbell, Channel 4, the local station.
Elizabeth, that looks dangerous going on behind you. What is that guy doing back there?
You know, I'm not sure. Yeah, this has been happening now for about the past 10 minutes, and we've seen cars. I don't know if he's stuck. Well, we did see a car get. No, it looks like he's moving now, or he or she. We have seen cars get stuck out here, though. So, oh my goodness! And you can see the car coming towards us. Their headlights are underwater.
Why are these people out? We have to just keep asking.
Yeah, this. And yeah, I'm asking the same question, and that's why I'm begging people to please not come out here. This is not the only road, I can tell you, that's flooded like this. This is the worst one we've seen, but there is flooding everywhere. There's down trees everywhere, so it's not going to be good for you, and you could end up getting stuck, put yourself in even more danger. So please, people, we're asking, don't come out yet. This storm is far from over.
You know, and Powers Avenue is not an area that floods every time we get a thunderstorm. So there are people that think they can go up and down Powers Avenue as they normally do, and they're just shocked when they find out that they're going to have to turn around. Those are really the smart people who turn around, as opposed to trying to drive through the water. The car becomes disabled. We saw that up on Kings Road. A woman's got her car stuck and had to call her brother to come and rescue her and get her out. And somebody asked a question about why aren't the police here. Well, there are so many floods going on in Jacksonville, it would take the 82nd Airborne to alert people about all these. The answer is really very simple. Just stay home.